It is one of the most frustrating feelings in the world. You're doing the right things. You've moved away from processed foods. You're trying to sleep more. And you've even started drinking oregano tea because you heard it's nature's most powerful brain booster. But instead of clarity, you still wake up with that heavy cotton wool feeling in your head. I know that disappointment. After 20 years of researching natural medicine and 5 years of living with absolute mental clarity, I discovered a hard truth. Oregano is powerful, but it is also delicate. If you make just one of the 5 common brewing mistakes I'm about to show you, you aren't just drinking a bitter cup of tea. You are likely destroying the very compound your brain is crying out for. Today, I'm taking you inside my personal ritual to reveal the 5 mistakes that make brain fog worse, the science of neuroprotection, and the exact method I use to keep my brain sharp at 58. If you've seen my video on oregano oil, you know how much I value this herb. It is my master herb, but while the oil is a concentrated specialist for emergencies, a correctly brewed tea is my gentle, consistent ally for daily maintenance. The secret to oregano's power lies in a compound called Carvacrol. Think of Carvacrol as a dedicated bodyguard for your brain cells. One of the main causes of menopause brain fog is oxidative stress, a slow simmering fire of inflammation in your brain. Carvacrol is incredibly effective at helping to put out that fire. But Carvacrol is a volatile oil. It is easy to lose and even easier to destroy. To move from survival to mastery of your focus, you have to avoid these 5 errors. Mistake number 1, the boiling point betrayal. Most people treat oregano tea like a standard black tea. They pour rolling, boiling water over it. This is a critical error. Extreme heat can actually damage the delicate aromatic compounds and diminish the Carvacrol content before you even take a sip. After 20 years of brewing, I've learned that the sweet spot is around 85 to 90 degrees Celsius. You want a gentle simmer, not a violent boil. Treat your brain fuel with respect, and it will respect your focus. Mistake number 2, the open window error. Do you steep your tea in an open mug? If you do, you are literally watching your mental clarity vanish into the air. Carvacrol and the other essential oils in oregano are volatile, meaning they evaporate with the steam. If you don't cover your cup immediately, the most healing parts of the herb escape before you can drink them. I always cover my tea with a small saucer to trap those oils where they belong, inside your cup. However, you can also use a high-quality teapot, ideally made of glass, cast iron, or porcelain. These materials respect the delicate nature of the herbs and ensure you receive the full restorative benefits in every sip. Mistake number 3, the quality gap. If you are using the old dusty oregano from a large supermarket jar that has been sitting on the shelf for a year, you are drinking dead herbs. For your brain to wake up, the herb must be alive. I only use organic, high-quality Greek oregano. It should have a vibrant green color and a sharp, peppery aroma the moment you open the container. If it doesn't smell powerful, it won't act powerfully. Mistake number 4, the sweetener sabotage. This is a mistake that many women over 50 make without realizing it. You add a little honey or sugar to cut the bitterness. But during menopause, our brains become highly sensitive to insulin spikes. Adding sugar to your medicinal tea creates a glucose spike and crash that can actually trigger the very brain fog you are trying to eliminate. I found that sipping it plain, or perhaps with just a squeeze of fresh lemon, is the only way to protect the mental sanctuary we are building. Mistake number 5, inconsistent rotation. Your brain is an adaptive organ. If you drink the exact same herb in the same way every single day for months, its effectiveness can diminish. In my weekly planning, I treat my teas like a clarity menu. I rotate my oregano days with my rosemary or sideritis rituals. This keeps my neural pathways flexible and prevents my system from becoming stagnant. Mastery is about rhythm, not just repetition. Now, because I want you to be a master of your own health, we must also talk about safety. Oregano is a powerful circulatory booster. If you are on blood-thinning medication, heart medicine, or if you have an upcoming surgery, please have a quick conversation with your doctor before adding this to your daily routine. True clarity is built on a foundation of safety. We work with our bodies, never against them. Let me show you my 5-year proven protocol for the perfect cup of clarity. 1. The measure. Use 1 teaspoon of dried organic oregano or 2 if using fresh. 2. The water. Heat your water until it just begins to simmer. Look for the small fish-eye bubbles. 3. The trap. Pour the water and cover the cup immediately with a lid or saucer. 4. The time. Let it steep for exactly 7 to 10 minutes. No more, no less. 5. The activation. Add a squeeze of fresh lemon to support cerebral blood flow, but skip the sugar. While you wait those 10 minutes, use that time for your night reset or your weekly planning. Don't check your phone. Just breathe. This is how you reclaim your sanctuary. This ritual is a powerful internal tool, but it is only half of the equation. If your external environment is filled with the triggers we discuss in my guide, you are fighting an uphill battle. So if you're ready to stop the guessing game and build a complete system, start with my free guide. You're not losing your mind. A simple night reset to clear brain fog. It is the foundation that allows these herbs to truly shine. You can find the link in the description. And for those of you who want to track your clarity menu and stay organized, my Mind Over Age planners are waiting for you in the shop. Thank you so much for being here in my calm corner. Be kind to your mind and be well. I'll see you in the next video.